In this video, we are going to learn about array concatenation, then join method, after that toString method. Okay. Now the first one, concatenation. Concatenation is nothing but merging two or more arrays. Okay. It can be array or object or anything. We can merge those things and it will return finally merged array it will return. Okay. And it will not update its parent array. Okay, so before using any methods you should understand it will update its parent array or not. Okay, hope you understand this. So for our understanding, I am copying this alphabets array, so I am pasting it here. So I am giving naming as a alphabets array 1. Okay, then I am going to create one more array, two arrays I am going to create. So this array name is alphabet 2, this array name is alphabet 3. The second alphabet array value is G, F, G and H. Okay, I'm giving values are G and H. Okay, my third array H, I and J. Okay, I'm giving I. Okay, so my first array having A to F value, second array having G H value, third array having I only. Okay, so I'm going to log my parent array. Okay, parent array. So parent array is alphabets 1, right? So other console, so it's printing here. Now I am going to do concatenation. Okay, so this is my parent array, right? So I am calling that array here. After that I am going to add my concat function. So this is my concat function. So I added concat function, right? So here you can see I added parentheses, so it's a function. This function is appended to my alphabets array 1. Okay, so inside that function I am going to pass alphabets 2 and alphabets 3, those arrays as an argument here. Okay, so this is my alphabets 2 array, then alphabets 3. Okay, these are my parent array. I am adding concat function to my parent array, and I am passing alphabet 2 and alphabet 3 as an argument to my function. Okay, so if I click save, you can see A to I are printed. For example, F is already there, then GH added, then I also added. You can see GHI, those things are added here. So added, and it will return an array. Okay, so here these two things are appended to one array. These three things are merged and appended into one array. Okay, so it cannot be, it can be a always it should not be an array. Okay, you can pass a number of data types, for example number or object or string, anything. If you save means those things are appended into array. Okay, I mean those things are merged and finally it will return one array. Then it will not manipulate its parent array, so it will give a copy of merged array. Okay, I hope you understand this. Now the second one, join method. Okay, join method is used to join the elements in the array. Okay, so here we are adding elements, right? So these elements are joined using join method. Okay, and finally it will return one string. Okay, like a comma b comma c, like that. It will be a only one string. It will be only one string like this, and then it will not update its parent array. Okay, it will return the new array. I mean it will return the new string. It will not change anything to the parent array, right? Okay, then the syntax of join is we need to pass the join. Inside that we need to pass argument as a separator. Okay, okay, so let's understand this by using one example. So I am copying this alphabets array, so I pasted it here. Okay, so now I am going to add one console.log to our parent array, because we need to understand is it changing its parent array or not. Okay, for that purpose only I am adding parent array as a console. Okay, I saved, it's printing. Okay, now I am going to add one more console.log. Inside that I am calling my parent array, okay, as alphabets. So in this array I am going to add join function. Okay, so join function is created and that function is appended into our array. So okay, you can see this curly brace, I mean this parenthesis shows as a function, right? Okay, if I click save, you can see a comma b comma c comma d comma e comma f. So those strings are only printed. See, this array is not printing, right? Okay, that's why we are using join. Okay. Okay, now now you can see we can pass a argument. Okay, this argument is called as a separator. Okay, now I am not passing anything, so defaultly it will take comma as a separator. Okay, here you can see comma comma. Okay, each element are separated by comma. So this is the purpose of this separator. Okay, so if I add separator as a hyphen means, okay, you can see I added a hyphen as an argument, so it is considered as a, this argument is considered as a separator. Okay, if I click save, you can see A hyphen B hyphen C. You can see, right? So each element are separated by our separator. So here we pass the separator as a hyphen. So the hyphen is there. So if I change this separator as a star means, so save, you can see star is added as a separator. So you can add anything, it will work. Okay, it will work as a separator. So those elements are separated by this separator. Okay, I hope you understand this. So in case if you have nested array means, for example, here we are having the element as a string only, right? So if we have one more array means, for example, f g ma h ma I. So in this case, you can see these are all string a comma b comma c comma d. Up to this are a string element only, but this is array element. Okay, so in this case, if I click save, you can see these separators are added into first level only. Up to first level only the separator will work. Okay, so after that nested level it will not work. It will defaultly show comma as a separator. Okay, if you have nested array like this means it will not work. The separator will work on the first level only. I hope you understand this. Now the third one, toString method. Okay, toString method also used to convert our array element into string. Okay, it will return, finally it will return one string with joined the array element. Okay, so example abc, in this example we see, right, we are having abc as a array element, so it will return that joined element as a string, only one string. Okay, I hope you understand this. It will not update its parent array. Okay, why I am repeatedly telling this is, before using any method you should know, okay, it what it will return and what it will update parent or not, like that. Those things you need to think and you need to learn, then only you can use those methods. Okay, I hope you understand this. And the syntax of the toString is just toString function only. Okay, it will not accept any argument. Okay, so for this I am copying this alphabets array and pasting it here. Then I'm copying this console also, pasted here. So click the save, you can see our parent array is printing. So inside the parent array we have one more nested array, right? So for now I just removing that. Okay, now I'm going to add one more console.log. Inside that I am calling my parent array and I am appending toString function to my array. Okay, so here you can see in our parent array I appended a toString function to our array. Okay, so if I click save, you can see a comma b comma c d e f printed. This is a one string. Okay, like this, a comma b comma c, like this it will print here. Okay, printing here. Okay, just it will convert our array into string. That's it will do. Okay, if you try to pass any argument means similar to our join, similar to join, we can pass a separator as an argument, right? In toString if you pass anything means like this, it will not work. It will not accept any argument. Here you can see comma separator value is only there. It will not accept any argument. Okay, so always it will return comma separated value. Okay, I hope you understand this. If I pass nested array means, inside that I'm having nested array like this, g ma h. So here we are having string only inside that array element, right? But now I added one more array as a array element. Okay, so if we click save, you can see g comma h also printed with comma separated value. Okay, So it will always accept it will always return comma separated value only. It will not accept any separator. Okay, basically what this string to string function will do is, if you are calling this function internally, it will call this join function. Okay, then this join function join that array, then it will return to this toString, then toString will return to us as a comma separated value. Okay, I hope you understand this. The main difference between the join and the toString is, you can pass separator in the join function, but if you are using toString, you can't pass any separator. Okay, that's the main difference. You can use anything according to your requirement. Okay, I hope you understand this. If you have any feedback or suggestion, feel free to post it in the comments below so I can learn from it. Thank you.